Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video I am featuring the bunny bow die from Scrapdiva design. I will have an affiliate link in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. Thank you for using my affiliate links. It really helps me and my channel and I appreciate it so much. You could also use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So this die comes with two size bows. There's a larger and a smaller one. Before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me and I appreciate your support and comments. So look at how cute this is. This is the large bow, and we will get a ruler here, if I can reach it over my camera, and I will tell you the sizes of the bows when they are completed. So the large is about 2 3/4 inch across, and they are 2 1/4 inches tall. And look at how cute that is. And I decided to put a little pom-pom because I was thinking of bunny tails for the inside of my bow. And you get 3 dies. You get the background die. So the background I cut on white, as you can see here, and it has a scalloped edge. This is the small bow, and that's the scalloped edge. And then you get a plain cutting die, which is the gold, which I sandwiched in between. And then you get another bunny ears that is stitched. And let's see, oops, it's not focusing. There you can see it stitched. And of course you get your bow pieces. That's this right here, and then the back of your bow. And then you also get a stitched piece to put around the center if you don't want to put a big embellishment like I did here. So these are all the large bows that I made that you'll probably see some projects later on with these on them. They are super cute. I love them. So much you could do with these. Okay, and this is the small one, and I'll give you the size of this. This one is looks like it's about 2 inches wide. And from point to point, it's 2 1/8. Okay, and then it's 1 3/4 inches tall. And these are my small ones. They are so cute, right? These will look cute on some little goodie boxes for Easter. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead while I have you here to show you how to put one of these together really quick. And I showed you the pieces. So this is the back of your bow, which is the scalloped edge. And the plain edge one is good for either your shiny cardstock or your glitter cardstock would be pretty behind that. For this one, so I decided to put gold on mine. I like to use gold in my projects. And then your designer paper, something that coordinates with the bow would be nice. And this piece is stitched. So we're going to put this on top of here, like this. It's layered. And then we're going to make our bow. And I'm going to form the bow. And I put a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue on top of here. And you'll see how perfectly these fit together, just like that. Press down here. I need a little bit more glue. And then we're going to put it in the center of the bottom of the bow. Really super easy and fast to put these together for your projects. This is a good one to have in your stash for your Easter projects. And then we're going to put it so that the bottom of the bow, I put it so that the bottom of this bow meets up with the bottom of the bunny ears. So I'm going to put a little hot glue across the top of this and then line it up. And make it so that the middle of your bow is in the middle of your ears. And then I have a little pom-pom here. I'll put a little bit of glue here and stick it in the center. And there you have it, a cute little bow for your Easter projects. So this was a quick share today, little tutorial just to show you. And I'm so glad that you stopped by to spend this time with me. So remember to sprinkle kindness wherever you go like confetti. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.